we are going to learn how to draw this figure. This drawing is going to test how well you use your set squares and the t-square. The instrument you need to draw this figure is your pencil, your rule, 45 degrees set square, a pair of compasses, and your t-square. Alright, let's begin. First, I will draw my horizontal base line. Now, these square units each has a length of 50 millimeters, which is the same as 5 centimeters. Alright, some of which are perpendicular, others are inclined, and the remaining ones are drawn to the horizontal. Alright, so what I'm going to do is to measure 50 millimeters on the rule. I'll name this part A and this part B. Next, using the 45-degree set square in conjunction with the t-square, draw inclined and perpendicular thin lines at points A and B. So I'm going to draw this inclined line, this perpendicular line, this inclined line, and same at point B. Alright. Now, transfer the 50 millimeter reading onto these lines. I'm going to connect these 4 points with a straight horizontal line. So we are about drawing this line. Alright. You can stop here and continue from this point. Since you could see the line did not pass through this tiny box here. Okay, from here you're going to stand at these points 1, 2, 3, 4 to draw perpendicular lines. All right, we'll draw perpendicular lines at this 4 points. And we'll stop when the line, perpendicular line. Now when drawing this perpendicular line, stop when it cuts the diagonal line. All right. Now if you do it right, you'd see that this side should measure 5 centimeters. And ours is exactly at the 5 centimeter mark. All right. Now let's transfer the same 5 millimeter marking on these lines. Now let's connect this point with a rule. Now we'll be drawing these inclined lines. All right. Repeat the same thing at this end. With a rule, join these 2 points. So we'll join this point to this and repeat the same thing from this point to this point. Now with this, you can still use your 45-degree set square, but I'm just going to go ahead and use the rule to connect them. Now after cleaning your work, you should have something like this, which is same as what we have here. And that's how to go about it.